positive answer from the doctor.
Yes.
What is it?
The doctor said we should bring 5 million naira
5 million.
for the surgery. As he has to travel to India to import the drugs and the spinal cord.
5 million. Where can we raise this money?
I don't know.
What do we do? Mama, I suggest we should stay in this house.
Emeka, you suggest what?
You heard me.
That we stay in this house?
Where again can we raise the money? Where again can we raise the money?
If we sell this house, where do you think that we'll pack into? With this your sister condition? In this village?
Mama, where we can park is not the matter. Mama, what matters now is my sister, your daughter. Look at her. She cannot even stand up. One cloth every time.
Emeka, it's okay. It's okay.
Mama, do something though. Mama, do something though.
Emeka, I'm confused.
Your body is wet.
I'm sorry, I waited for you.
No. Okay, I know it's not your fault. What the fuck? No worry, come. Step closer. You are welcome. It's my daughter.
Nkume mmiri na-agba aja egbe igwe. Onye sị ka ọ wụrụ ya. Ochie edebe chụọ aja dịka were nye ndị mmụọ n'aka. Ọ gịnị na-emezi? Tell me. Gwa m ka nnụrụ na ntị. Gwa m, tell me. I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you. Madam, can you afford an elephant?
Just say it and name your price. I will do it for the sake of my daughter here. Please.
The gods demanded that you have to bring 1 cow, 2 he-goats, 1 fowl, 10 tubers of yam, and also a sum of 200,000 naira.
Hey!
Ikume, where can I get all this item and this kind of money? It's too much, please.
That's what God demanded.
1 cow, 2 he-goats, and even chicken. This your ghost must be hungry of meat.
Ta! Who are you to challenge the demands of the gods? Who are you to challenge the words of the gods?
Ikume, it's okay. Please. Please. You can go. Eh? By tomorrow I'll send the items to you. Please.
But, Mama, shut up. It's too much now.
Shut up. Must you say that on his present? We should be thinking of how to get that money now. Hey. Emeka said she come back.
Leave me alone.
Emeka said she come. Emeka come back.
Leave me now.
Where do you think you're going?
Leave me.
Who will wash those plates and clothes for you? Emeka!
But see, I'm tired of all these things. I'm tired of washing plates, washing clothes. Look at Chinasa. See, Mama, I'm tired. I'm tired of everything. See those plates? I will not wash those plates. Even the clothes, I will not do anything again. Mama, I'm tired of all these things. Before now, Chinasa has been the one helping me out. But now, look at the condition. Mama, just find something and do to her condition. Because if you did not do it, there will not be peace in this house.
Emeka! Emeka! Emeka, you're going out! Emeka, come back here! Are you going out? Okay. You will go and come back and meet me here. Look at what I've done to myself. This is not intentional. I love my daughter so much.
What are you doing here? No, what are you doing here?
I came to collect my balance. Where is your mother?
Which balance? Do you know that you are very wicked? You are a wicked man. We gave you 1 cow, 2 he-goats, 1 fowl, 10 tubers of yam, and 150,000. And now you are here standing asking me about my mother for 50,000 naira. Come. If I close my eyes and open it, I don't want to see you again. No.
Boy,
What?
the mercy of Nkume has limit.
In a boy, Jere boy, no nyala. Jere Nkume, Jere Onyala Gebo, in Ayala, Allah, Jere, Onyala,
Cheers. Chinwa. Chinwo. here to ask for forgiveness. You know that it's not my intention to see you in this condition. I did it out of anger. My daughter, please, can you just find a place in your heart to forgive me?
Forgive it. Do you know you're very wicked? You are a very, very wicked man. Look at the condition that you kept me. Do you think that anyone will come here and ask for my hand in marriage? Leave me, oh. Leave me alone.
Please forgive me, my daughter. Emeka,
Mama?
let me buy something for our neighbor. I'm coming. Chimegwomo. Hey! Hey! I have finished! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Mama, what is it? What is it, Mama?
Hey!
What is it? I can't finish. What is it, Mama?
Make her finish.
Talk to me now. What is it?
Hey!
Mama, talk to me now. What is it?
Make her find it you have to forgive me.
No, just tell me. Just tell me. What is it?
Make her finish. Make her see. The ring.
Jesus.
It's not the ring.
The ring?
Yes,
Mama, have you seen it? Mama, have you seen it? Because of this ring, you disregard my sister, your daughter. Mama, have you seen? Oh God, what have you done, Mama? What have you done? Look at what your anger have done to you. Hey! Look at what you have done to this family. Because of ring, Mama, you're temperamental, Mama. You're temperamental. Look at what your anger have done to you. Even to my sister. God, look at what.
Emeka, come back. Please, you should forgive me. I have finished. Hey! Because of this thing, I just become my only daughter. Hey! You should forgive me. Hey! Go! Emeka! Chinasa, will you forgive me? Oh! Hey! I'm finished. I'm finished. Chinaza.
What is it now? What is it again? What? Just leave me. What is it? I don't want to go. Just go.
Please.
Leave me.
Please. I am begging you to forgive me. I know it's all my fault. It's never in my intention to see you this way. It's out of anger. I never wish to see you in this condition. Please. Please. Just forgive me. So that I will die a happy mother. Please. Sorry, please. It's okay.
I'm forgiving you.
Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
It's okay, Mama.